Leila, give them songs again. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes. Eden, baby, turn around. Hi, neighbors. Look, I have Eden with me today. Say hi, Edie. To the neighbors, hey. What's going on in the neighborhood, guys? So today, I have a little update for you. A couple of announcements, actually. But first, let me take a seat. And if you can hear the bumblebees and these. Say hi, neighbors. Give them a smile. Give them a smile, you know. You know, it's you always. She's always the one. I'm not sure why Ava is sleeping right now. It's like she's always the one that gets caught when we are doing these videos. Anyway, what's supposed to happen today? I took the day from work in order to go and get our second shot of the Pfizer vaccine. My mother, Hannah, and I, if you recall, we went 3 weeks ago to get the Pfizer vaccine, our first shot. And today is when we're supposed to get the second shot before this happened. So yesterday I'm at home checking social media, and of course, Ministry of Health announces that Pfizer vaccination is suspended because what? They ran out. Everybody who was due second shot today and until the next batch comes, we'll just have to wait. So I took the day from work in order to get the shot, but that could have happened again. But took the day to rest, had some sleep, and now we're going to be organizing ourselves for the announcement that we have for you, because we are pulling Leila and Zahra from school, at least until the face-to-face starts, whenever that is. What's the reason? It's too intense for me to work and to have Leila and Zahra, heading up their books, join this, join that, getting water, and all these things. And for her, she would have to be working with Leila and Zahra and Eden and Ava, which is ridiculous. It's going to be too much. So in our unique circumstance, not saying nobody, that virtual school doesn't work, but for our unique circumstance right now, it's just not practical. See them on here? Handful. Right, Eden? Don't say a handful. We're trying to put something together in terms of what the Early Childhood Commission has put on their website for guidance in terms of what the curriculum is at this age. So Tina is going to be the one to do that investigation and putting those stuff together. But I'm going to be PE teacher and music teacher and probably math teacher, because I'm better with numbers than them. But we're going to see how that fleshes out today. Alright, so we're going to check up on what Tina is up to inside and see what progress she's making with her research.
Hey, wow, look at that. So we are trying to find a program that will work for Leila and Zahra. So I'm thinking that we should customize something for them. I've already gotten suggestions about using different programs that already exist for preschoolers. I was introduced to ABC Mouse, and while we may try that, I want to also stick to the established Ministry of Education curriculum here, so that when Leila and Zahra do enter the institutional setting within Jamaica, they're not totally, out of depth. So they feel comfortable and they're up to speed with what the curriculum teaches. So I'm on the Early Childhood Commission website, and on it, they have a section with curriculum. They have a curriculum guide for different age groups. And there is a curriculum guide for the for children birth to 3 years old. It's pretty, eh? All 213 pages of it.
Just 213.
But the 213 is for different age groups, I believe. So they have different curriculum guides for birth to 24 months, 2-year-olds, and here is our target, 3-year-olds.
All about me, celebrations, okay.
Yes, foods, family, animals, water, etc., etc. So I find that on page 95.
So let's just be clear. You're the one you're going to be going through this, not me. Yes.
Why wouldn't you also go through it?
Yes, because you're the reader, babe. Okay?
You hear the excuse? For the 3-year-olds, they have what the developmental objectives are, all the things that they should be able to do at this stage with some assistance. And they have in this section, so they have different headings: wellness, communication, and then they have the different concepts, suggested learning activities, different vocabulary. Oh, they're supposed to learn about private pieces.
What?
At this age?
Penis and vagina?
I don't think you can see that on YouTube. I'm not sure.
We can't say penis and vagina on YouTube. But it's on their curriculum at 3.
It is. I'm actually surprised, but I don't say why not. They're learning to use the potty, and they also need to learn about different types of touch.
It should be penis or vagina.
Well,
should
the
let them
fact
know
is,
about
boys
what
have different parts.
Yes,
and
but
girls have.
All right, hear me out. I'm saying let them know at this stage what part they have. Right? I don't have a problem, telling them that you have a vagina.
Right.
Yeah. But why are you going to pique the curiosity?
Yes, but look at this part. Look what it says. Because you're going to tell them that first of all they need to know that they are girls and that there are boys, and that boys and girls are different in some ways.
A boy has a dot like his daddy.
Yes.
A girl has a dot like what? Man, I mean, I need to read this now. I need to go.
Your interest is suddenly piqued.
Listen, I'm going to read this before we continue. I'm just joking, guys. But it's true.
No, these are important concepts, right? Very important concepts for them to learn, and also they need to know what kind of touch is allowable and what kind of touch is not. Good, bad, and those kinds of things. So it would be good to break up the sessions and work with them in different time periods.
Different pockets, right?
Yeah, so maybe from, let's say, 9 to 10, and then we can go again from 1 to 2.
Mm-hmm.
For now, we're gonna start with those 2 hours, and then we'll see what I can manage, and maybe you can take them from.
I have to do math, babe. No offense. You're the English person. You are very well spoken.
Can I just say that I also did the sciences, folks?
Are you going to go there to the 0.28 GPA? You know what?
And I graduated from the Faculty of Pure and Applied Sciences.
On that note, I think we need to go right now. All right, so of course, I've never taught music before in my life in any professional way. So this is going to be new for me, for sure. So how hard could it be? So I'm going to show you how my music teaching, I was born for this, guys. Stop it. I was born for this, and I'm going to just show you how natural it is. This teaching thing come to me. Ready? So I'm showing you instruments. So I have the drum set here. This drum set is Pearl Export Series. Nice drum set. Right? The keyboard that we're using is right here. Simple beginner keyboard. A Yamaha. What's the name? Yamaha E333. Alright? And I'm going to show. I have a guitar as well. Now, I don't think you've ever seen me play the guitar. I don't think so. I don't think you've ever seen me play the guitar, but I do know I know 4 chords, and that can get me through. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I bought 10 of this guitar the first birthday we shared together, and I know she don't know how to play the guitar. Is me have to learn one and two things about the guitar, and I don't play guitar. But I do know 4 chords, and they are the guitar is in tune. Let's hear it. That's G. That's D. Some sound kind of off though. This is a minor chord. This would be 1, 7, 6 E minor, and then C. This can be enough songs actually. My transitions are slow, I know, but just bear with me. Ready to play music?
Yes.
Come, go in the room. We're going to play music right now.
Can I come?
Yes.
No.
No.
Ready? So go and sit down. Sit down on the keyboard. Sit down. All right.
Ooh.
What's up, burger? Let me see it.
Well, grandma always with the treats.
Oh boy. Can I get one?
Mm-hmm.
I never ever asked you, but you're telling me no. Leila, can I get one? Please? Thank you, Zaza.
But that's Leila, you know, Leila for preempt.
Leila, may I have one, please?
No, that's mine.
Okay. Okay. What is the name of this?
Keeper.
Keyboard. Very good. Very good. See, I'm already a very good teacher. They already know the name of the instrument. Alright, Leila and Zahra. Leila and Zahra? What's the name of that instrument over there? What's that?
Drum.
Very good.
Zara, you need to do less eating
See?
and more answering
2
questions.
marks already. They're already very good at this. Alright. So, Leila and Zahra, we're going to practice some keyboard now. Ready to play? Alright. So going forward, I'm not daddy, I'm sir, okay? When you're in this classroom, you address me as sir. Right? I don't know why this backbencher is laughing her face off. You know?
Let's see how long that works.
Alright,
that lasts.
finish eating quickly so we can start playing the keyboard, okay? We're going to do the first lesson now, guys, okay? Ready, Leila and Zahra? Give me a thumbs up if you're ready. Alright. So, what color is this key?
Right.
What color is this key?
Black.
Right. So hold on there. So this key, look at how they are. This is not gonna work. On the one press. Alright, fine. So put your hand right here. Put your hand like this. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3. You know, as a matter of fact, probably I think you're doing it right, Zahra. Oh. It's like a different approach. Alright, so
Music
it's
teacher frustrated already.
guys, it's not as easy as I thought it would be. I'm going to have to go back to the drawing board. There's a very long line at the drawing board though, because everybody seems to be going back to it. Nowadays, everybody going back to the drawing board, especially the West Indies cricket team.
What?
The West Indies cricket team always get back to the drawing board, you know. Every time West Indies.
The West Indies cricket team and the reggae boys.
Yeah. So every time the West Indies cricket team lose a match, they go back to the drawing board, and the reggae boys look like they're in the same boat now. So I'm going to have to rethink this whole music approach, but let's try the drums. The drums should be easier. Alright? You want to try the drums though? Ready for the drums?
Ready?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's go and try the drums.
Salute? Yeah, but
Leila, give me the salute again. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes. Here's what we're going to do. Ready? Ready? So, this is the drum set. So we're going to do this pattern now. Just do this. Your turn. Do it by yourself.
Alright.
Alright. So next step now, you're going to do. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2. Let's go. Try that.
Whoa!
Alright, go again. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Alright, your turn. Go again. Again. Woo! Very good, very good. Okay, give Zaza turn now, okay? Okay, Zaza. No pressure. No pressure, Zazie. Alright, sit up. So first thing you're going to do is this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your turn. No, just this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go ahead. Yes, continue. Very good.
Go, baby, go.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8.
One more. Very good. Alright, so now you're going to do this. Hold it properly. Now you're going to go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Go now. Your turn. Very good. Again. Alright, I feel excited. This is great progress for today, guys. You're naturals. Thank you. Alright, so man am I sweating. So look who just walked in. Hannah.
What do you want me to do?
So we're going to see.
You have to give Hannah the same lesson.
Oh, Hannah, by the way, right? In this room you need to call me sir. Not Uncle Paul or anything different, okay? I'm a teacher. Okay? Yes, sir.
Yes.
You know what? I think it's going to be a problem, child, but I'm going to see how it's going to develop because I'm very strict in my classroom. But let's see how we continue to interact, alright? So now, Hannah. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What are you holding in your hands?
Drumstick.
Okay, very good. Alright, give me 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And with the right hand, go. Okay, so now you're going to give me 1, 2, left hand. So 1, 2, 1, 2. So the right hand 1, 2. Right? Okay, so you're going to hit it. I'll show you the proper holding afterwards, but you can just hit it open, man. So hold it like this.
Okay.
That's fine for now, right? So 1, 2, right. Very good. Stop. All right. So next up, we're going to throw in the kick drum, right? And how that works. So here's what you're going to do now. The pattern is going to be. So you're going to go 1 on. So on the 1, when you're hitting this for the first time, you're going to be hitting the kick drum on the first one. So let me give you an example. Come, let me show you.
Wait, so.
Whoa! Yes! Yes. Continue. Okay. Very good.
Foot and eye coordination that has
Man,
to go on.
I think I don't know if it's me or them, but I think it's me. I think don't. I'm a good teacher. But Eva, is Daddy a good teacher? Give Daddy a thumbs up. Oh, okay. What are you doing today, Hannah?
We're going to be making a hopscotch.
Okay. And
From
you're
chalk. White first to lay
lay it out.
where I'm going to put everything and then go over it with the color.
Okay. Alright, it's your show. Take it away. Of our hopscotch area.
Wait, is that not even straight?
It's not straight. I'm thinking it's going to have to be done over properly.
It is going to be done over properly. I just need to at least make sure that this is straight.
So basically, neighbor, this is a work in progress, and we're going to unveil it in the next vlog so you can see what the finished product is. And Hannah, who is she has a responsibility of completing this and letting it look nice and pretty, right? Excited? So it will be colorful and all them things there. I think we should bear in mind that they're children though, so they don't have very big feet.
I know.
Yeah, so we're going to do all those calculations. But this is going to be an interesting journey, but not fearing it because we'll take it one at a time. She's pretending to. I'm going to battle her, you know, but I get to sign out first. Until next time, everybody, take care and be good. Be a good neighbor, and big up from me and my host. Now I'm going to beat her in a game of hopscotch. Let's go. There's no style. Come on, come back.